Okay. Okay, after recording. Okay. Hello, welcome to another PTP session. Today I'll be going through M4 question 3 and question 6. I won't be going through again how to do M4. You can look at the recording from the previous week. But for this week, I'll show you a step-by-step. I'll go through step-by-step how to do question 3. Okay, so do draw along with the video, cause yeah, it'll be helpful lah. Yeah. So okay, so for question 3, it's a support bracket. As you can see, it's a double L shape. So as usual, right? The first step you should take for drawing any of the M4s is to first draw the box. Yeah. So you see this box here. This is the outline of the shape. So okay. So from the picture you can see that point A should be the lowest, and yeah, it should be the lowest point of the whole shape. So point A will be here lah. Like you may not realize it, but it's the bottom corner of the A. Yeah. So the shape will look kind of like this. And this is a sketch. So yeah, this will be where A will be. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So okay, from here, the first step is to draw the box. So the box has these dimensions: 160 by 70 by 75. And if you relate it to the picture, it's also 160, 70, and 75. Okay. Next step, you draw the different views on the shape. So I'll start with the this side view first, I guess. So for this side view, it will be the bottom view of question 3, as you can see. Okay, as you can't see, but yeah, it's do refer to question 3 as I explain. That's if not, it'll be quite confusing. So okay, so question 3. So you can see. So I'll just start from one of the corners. So the main thing, okay, they gave us 15. So let me mark out 1, 3, 15. Okay, I'll just draw in red. And so you just want to draw all the 3 views first. So in like don't use a dark pencil. Use your 0.38 pencil, because these are just your construction views. It's not the final shape. Okay, so you see. Okay, so you see you have 70 and 15. Okay, so 70. Okay, by the way, if you don't know, each square is 5. So 70 divided by 5 equals to 14. So count 14 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Okay. Just make a small mark there. Okay. And yeah, so 14. And it has a thickness of 15. So I can take I'll just draw a line down first. So that's the how the bottom image looks like. Then it has a thickness of 15 with a height of 15. So can mark out this corner first. So this will be the corner of the shape. Then let me just fill it in. Okay. Okay. And so this is how the thing looks like. And you can refer, there is one more line at here, and then this equal. Give me a sec. See. Okay, never mind. There's one more line at 25. Sorry for the pop-ups. Okay. So there's one more line at 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25. Okay. You can draw the hidden line if you want, and the hidden line is 50 away, which is 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then I will head down to point 8. Point 8 is here. Okay. I'm trying the correct layer. Then this one goes down to here. Okay. I don't draw all the way down because the bottom layer also has a thickness of 15. 90. Okay, 90. Okay, then I'll match it all the way to the end. Okay. And as you can see, 15. Okay. And I'll draw the support rib from here. Yeah. So this is how the view looks like. Y'all can follow. Just give a thumbs up. Yeah. If y'all can follow. Okay. So this is still quite simple for now for the left side view. Now we'll move on to the top view. Okay. So for the top view, you I'll start from the front of the shape because no really any preference. You can start from the back, but I'll start from the front. So for the front, I'll draw the 220. Is it 20? 20. So okay. So from here to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 20. But you have to take 20 minus 5 because the scissor shape, the claw shape thing is not touching the edge, and they tell you it's 5. So move it like this. Yeah. And you can match it to here. Okay. We redraw it. Okay. Yeah. So that's how the front part looks like. I'll draw it on the other side, which is around the same thing. Only one gap, then draw 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then start from the fifth one. 1. Okay. Then 15. 3. Okay. So I finished with the claws. I'll call them claws because they look like claws. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3. Okay. It might look weird, but it's just because of the perspective. So 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So yeah, this is how the front of the shape looks like. Then you can join it. So they both join together at 50, which is here. You see the dotted line? Okay. Then I'll need to find the middle. Okay. Okay. So if I were to follow this, okay. Never Here, this will be where the 2 points join. Because if you shall use another color, never mind. If you to join them, okay. Yeah. You can see that this is where the two things join. Yeah. So then, shall I go here? Draw. Okay. Oh. Oh. Uh, yeah. Okay. So this is how the claw thingy looks like. Okay. So we move on to the next line, which is the hidden line represented by the hidden line represented by this. Okay. So I can work my way up from the wall and okay, work my way up from the wall. Yeah, I draw a dotted line across. So if you can't visualize, this is a very effective method because you physically draw the views on. Then you will match the corners together and you will form the final shape. So the next part is this line. Yes. Okay. And I shall close up the shape. Okay. Okay. Now I continue drawing. So okay. There is a gap of 15 at the end, but I can finish it up throughout. So 15. Yeah. Okay. So this is the back of the shape. And through the center point. Okay. Through the center point, which is here. This is the center line. This there. Okay, draw on this layer. So through this center line, there is a 20, a 20 diameter. That's how long the flat part is. So I'll darken it. Okay. 20. Yeah. Okay. 20. Then I can join it together. Okay. 20. Then okay. You can see that the support structure is also has a width of 20 and it starts from the 15 mm. It starts 15 mm away from this side. This side. So which is 3 spaces and it's also 20 mm. So I will shade it in. Okay. And then just check this. Fine. Yeah. Okay. Then it's a straight line all the way to this line over here. All the way to this line over here. Okay. Then straight line. Straight line. Okay. So if you could follow, this is the top view and this is the right side view of the shape. Any questions before I move on? I'll join the points together, then show your magic. Yeah.
I think I just look at the magic.
Yeah, okay, good. So yeah, if there's like, okay, let me continue. So okay. Now you have both sides. So it's time to I will now draw in black. Yeah. Okay. So now I'll draw in black. So from the shape, what can you identify as like real corners and stuff? So one thing you can identify is maybe I mean this part is quite real, so I'll just this okay, reduce the opacity. So now you can tell that from the two views that because of this line and this line they are the same line. So can shade it in. Okay. Yeah. So this is a real line. You also know that this is real. And this is real. This is real. This corner is real. And it's touching the side of the box all the way until here. Okay. So yeah, this is the side of the structure that touches the left side of the box. Okay. Now let me move on. So we focus on the top. Okay. So for the top, I guess we can fill in this part and this part because it's all touching the top surface. As you can see from here, look from here, this whole top surface is flat against the it is touching the top of the box. So fit height. Okay. Then you can shade it. Oops. Shade it in. Shade it. Just make sure not to count wrongly, like count the squares wrongly. Get your dimensions correctly. The moment your dimensions are wrong, you get marked down heavily. So take care of the dimensions. Okay. Yeah. So this is the top. Now the rest of the shape. So the entire of this portion, it doesn't touch the top surface of the box because you can see from the right side view, the left side view, that it's on this bottom surface here. Okay, let me erase a few triangles. Oh. Okay. Yeah. So now, what part can we do now? Okay. So from here we can see that this part I can close it because it's linking with the other side. So here, here, here. Okay. Then this side too. So yeah. Yeah. So this is what the thing looks like. And you can close it up. So I'll just okay. Both sides will look the same. So you can assume that there is 1, 2, 3. And I will join up 2. And okay. Now the hard part. Where does the hard part? Where does this join up to? So where does this go? Like you don't know. So what you can do first is you know that the height of the overhang is 15 mm, which is 3 boxes. So you can do 1, 2, 3. So you can find the point. You can find the point where it will touch. Yeah. Where this line, this point will touch. So once you identify the point, you can use your coin, your 0.38 to mark it down. Then you will join your line directly to that point. Yeah. Yeah. By the way, did he need you to, like, was it required for you to draw hidden lines? Sure. Isn't specified. Okay, I'll just assume I'll fill in the hidden lines later, but for now I'll just keep drawing. So this is how it'll look like. Okay. The top part. Okay, now to move on to the bottom area. So for the bottom area, okay. Okay. Here, we can fill up this piece first. So we'll keep going. This part. Oh no. Okay, too sharp. Let me yeah. Okay. Sorry, but you should draw the back of the box also. So let me just fill it in. Okay. 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 Okay, these are our attributes. So let me draw the bottom side of the box. Okay. So you keep drawing. You draw all the way until it touches here. Okay. There you go up. Up. And up. This is how the thing will be like. Actually, let me redraw it. It's a bit ugly. Okay. And up. Okay. So this is how the shape looks like. Now I'll draw the support bracket. So for the support bracket, the first step we can do first is you just fill in the back of the shape. So where can you fill in the back of the shape? Okay, it's at a height of 15, right? So at the base will be to I can use my you can't use different color pencils for like the exam, which is a bit like it will confuse you, but try to keep level headed. But you can draw another line at 15. Yeah. Then can use that to estimate. You can work your way down and you identify this point and you work your way down to identify this point. So now that you identified those 2 points, you can mark it down here. Okay. So here, we'll go to here. Yeah. Now let me draw that. Yeah. Okay. Then I'll match it to here. And we don't know how far the behind one is, but 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So technically I'm doing the same thing as before. So you see the you see the baseline here, the base. So I will draw here. Okay. So this has a thickness of 15 mm. show everything. So yeah, you can see the line is here. So I'll just use my black pen to cover it up. Yeah. Black pen, cover it up. Okay. So now we have this. Now we move on to the support ridge, the support. So for the support, it starts at three spaces from the back of the shape. So you go 1, 2, 3, and then yeah. So it is like that. Okay. Now the next part. So you know where the support starts from. It starts from if you can see the cursor, it's a bit hard to see, but it starts from here and here. Okay. So I'll join the lines up now. So this line go here. Okay. And this line will go here. Yeah. Okay. And since it's a bracket, it'll be perpendicular to the side of the L shape. So I'll close it up. And yeah, this is how the question looks like. Any questions? Wait, did I miss anything? Yeah, this is
The line to hidden line, is it?
sorry.
Then you change the back part to hidden line, is it?
Let me double check with last year's one. But okay. Let's double check. Okay. Okay, we need a okay. Let me fill in the hidden lines. So for the hidden line, we need hidden lines. I'll join another layer. Okay, so for the hidden lines, where to find the hidden lines? Okay, you see this corner, this corner here. You know that it stretches all the way to that side. So I'll draw in. Oh shit. Okay, I'll draw in the hidden line. Okay. I'll say the hidden line's the more straightforward part of the thing, because you already had to draw like so much more. So the hidden part is just the grand finale of the whole shit. So okay, hidden line, and then the hidden line of the back. This should find hidden line. Huh. I don't think the prof required hidden lines for most of the shapes, but I'll just draw it in case your prof wants hidden lines. Because for some of these more complicated shapes, once you add the hidden lines, it'll be very confusing. Yeah. So, okay, now where does this hidden line end? You may ask. So it will end here. And it will stretch till here. And this will join to here. This will go up. Okay, so how did I know by a glance that the shape will end here? It's because okay, I can work my way down. So one thing you can do is you can actually I count the thing. So okay, you know on the left side from this corner over here to this corner over here, since the shape is symmetrical, it's the same on both sides. So you move 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is where the corner exists on the other side. Yeah. So that's how I know when my hidden line ends. So it's here. I do it on the same for this side also. it's 3 squares down from this corner. So this corner, I count 1, 2, 3. So this is the intersection of the hidden lines. Okay, so more hidden lines time. Okay. But I don't think he'll make you draw hidden lines for this. But if he does, then yeah, you have this to refer to. So okay. It's basically counting. So it's 3 spaces from the corner that I can join it to here also. Yeah. And the hidden line caused by this structure here. So where does it it will start. We'll start it'll start here. It'll go it'll start here and go down and go down. Okay, but let me just draw in hidden lines. Okay. Yeah, so this is the left side, and now the right side. The right side will look like. Okay, don't worry if it's covered. It's part of the job description. Then you'll go all the way to this side. Okay, wow, this is a lot more messier with hidden lines. I don't think this will be one of the shapes you'll make you draw hidden lines for, but who knows? Yeah. So on. Okay, so from this corner, 3 down, then outmatch it with this corner. Okay, from this corner, 3 down, match it. Okay, and this corner, 1, 2, 3, then hidden line to match it. Okay, now it looks super messy with the hidden lines, but yeah, it will look like that. Okay. Okay. Wow, it's quite messy with the hidden lines. But without the hidden lines, the shape will look like this. Yeah. Y'all can take a screenshot at this point in time. Yeah. This will be the shape. And let me send a cat drawing I did into the group. Then y'all can refer to this in your own time. Yeah. Send it in the group already, and you can refer to this when drawing your shape for M4. Okay. So I'll let you absorb a bit, then give like 2 minutes for questions, then I'll move on to question 6. Question 6 is a lot harder question. Yeah. So any questions in the meantime?
Can I ask, right?
Yeah.
At the end part, at the left hand corner, on top of it is 20, but the bottom is 15. Why is it?
Sorry?
Yeah.
Oh wait,
I-
okay. Let me I try to point up. So the 20 you're referring to is the 20 you're referring to is here, right? 20. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Then from this view is 15, right?
Yeah.
So it just means that this is 15. Then this is 20.
Oh, because
you look at it from the top. Oh, 15, 15.
yeah, because when you draw it down, it's 15. So I was wondering like how come when on top you look it's 20, but then when you project downwards it becomes 15.
Oh no, this is 20.
Oh, that's
Did
20.
I, wait, did I? Oh shit. Oh,
The line seems a bit off. But
it's a bit off, but let me draw over it. Okay. Yeah. Don't miss by 1 square. It's a very common mistake that can happen to anyone. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. The moment you off by 1 square, it will mark you down into a poor. Yeah. So anyone can make mistakes. Yeah. So be careful when doing it. Okay. 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 So yeah. So as a general guide, you draw the box first that surrounds the whole shape. Then you plot the views onto the relevant corners. Like the bottom view was the left side view, and the top view was the top view. So you plot it down. Then you start interpolating, like marking out corners that you know they are touching the surface. So since this, oh wow, there's so many lines here now. Okay. 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 Since this and this both match up, it's touching the corner. Okay. So if there's no more questions, I'll move on to the second part. Okay. Okay. So for the second part, okay. So for the second shape, okay, it might look weird, but if you can't visualize, it's okay. Because not a lot of people can do that. So you follow the formula that you know lah. So basically, it's a shape that looks like this. 80, 80, 100. 50 plus 20 plus 30 equals 100. So 80, 80, 100. So first step, as usual, draw the bounding box. The box that is bounded by. Okay. This back box. Okay, so this is the box that bounds the shape. Okay, so don't be like, if you see this in exams, don't be like shocked. Oh no, so many lines, so many slanted edges. What am I do? Just follow the formula. So okay, you have the top view and you have the left side view. So start by filling it in. Okay. So I shall start with the left side view first. It's bigger. Okay. So 80. So but in this case, here, okay. In this case, the height is 100. 80. 80. Okay. 180, 80. Join red. Okay. So 80. I shall start with the 80. So 80 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, start from here. So here all the way down is 80. And I start from the other side because the horizontal lines, I don't have any angle and stuff. So yeah, I don't have an angle for it. I don't know how much is it. So 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So start from here. And the solid part is from the top of 30 all the way to the top. So I can draw a line, stretches like that. Okay. Okay. Now from this point, I can connect it with this point. Okay, now the hard part. Alright, let me mark out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So okay, what we have here is the top of the 20. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the top of the 20, and it will touch the 100. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will touch 100. Oh shit, wrong color. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll touch the top. Okay. Now the hard part. Where does this line go? So don't worry, you start with a bit of working first. So I'll go here and go the opacity too. So I'll go here, mark it red. Okay. So 20 from this corner A. 20 from corner A. So 20 from corner A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go it out. Okay. So you can find the point where the line touches. So yeah. Okay. So this is how the shape looks like. Don't be scared. Cause yeah. 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 Okay. This is how the shape looks like. So
the intersection is in the middle of the square, is it?
sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
Because from what you know, right? From what you know, this has a height of 80, and this has a 20, and this is 30, and this is 50. So 20 away, you project up, and for this point, you can match it. This is the line.
Okay. Yeah, it's in the middle.
Yeah, it's in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay. Now okay, let me back. Okay. So now I draw the hidden lines. Oh shit, I went back too much. Okay. Now I draw the hidden lines that you can see. Okay, hidden lines. So for hidden lines, don't be tricked by the line, because this portion, right? Yeah, that's the dimensioning. It's not an actual solid line. So it's I fill in the hidden lines. Then okay. There's supposed to be one more hidden line here, but there were no dimensions given. Why? The dimensions is dependent on the top view, so I can't fill it in yet. So I'll leave it for later. Okay. So this is the tricky part. When you're not given dimensions, you have to interpolate from the top view. So I'll leave it to later, I guess. So now I'll move on to the top view. So for the top view, well, both of the sides are 80, so I can kind of fill it in. Correct later. Okay. Okay. Straight line. Straight line. Width of 20 also, because from the bottom view. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. Then you'll go from here, it'll extend down until 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. Because it has the thickness of 20. Yeah. And okay, I will draw that first. Okay, the back 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So from here, you can join the lines together. Messed up. Oh. Okay, wait, sorry. I got no. Okay, don't mind me. Yes. Okay, aga. Okay. Okay. So now you have this. So it connects at 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, line here. Okay, line here. Okay. Now you know that here is 20. Yeah, 20. So you stretch the line until it touches there. Now you know where it intersects because it doesn't go any further. So you know where the point of intersection is. I'm pretty sure it may look like it's on a 5 mm point on my tablet, but if you do it on your paper, you realize that this is a it's like a 4 mm, 3 mm, so it's in between boxes. So take a note, but the method is the same. The method you do is the same. So from this point of intersection, you can draw a dotted line or construction line here and down. Okay. Now you know where the intersection is. So I can darken it. Yeah. Okay. I darken the line because it's a solid line. Then I fill in the dotted lines. Okay. Now that was okay. So anyone don't understand any of this? And this portion clear? So even if they didn't give you the dimensions of even if they don't give you all the dimensions of here to here, you can use this intersection to find out how long this is. You don't have to find out how long, but you know where to draw it. So, okay. Now I'll move on to my black pen. Okay. So now for the black pen. Okay. So some of the shapes, some of the sides that you can confirm for sure, let us draw it in first. So some okay, confirm for sure. So this side and this side, they both link up. So from that, you can confirm that this whole side, it's a big square that's touching the side of the box. Okay, yeah, it's such a big portion of the shit finished already. Also, you can tell from here that this and this surface, they're also both touching the side of the box because when you look on top, it's it's until this side of the view. So you can fill it in too. So here, okay. See, now this is quite a big portion of the shape done already. Then you look at the shape again. This corner, yeah, it's also the corner is also real and it's touching the side of the box. The 30 is still touching the side of the box. This is the 30 at the top. Okay. Now comes the hard part. You have no more sides touching the side of the box. What to do now? Well, don't need to panic. Okay. So when you look from when you look from this view, you realize that this whole surface here, it's flat and there's no hidden lines. So you know that this surface here doesn't go up, doesn't go down. That means you are sure that how to say, you can take this point here, and if you project it along this plane, yeah, if you project it along this plane, this plane, it'll be the same. So what you do is here, okay, you just dot all the way through, so you know where it stops. Okay, and from here, okay, let's see. Okay. Sometimes if you're also not sure, what you can do is you can draw the left side view on the back of the shape. So what do I mean from that? Okay, let me hide. Okay, what I have done first. Some of these features might be on the back of the shape. So let me just fill it in first. Yeah. This is quite a hard shape to do. So if your tutor asks you to do it, well, at least I went through, so you all know what to expect. So you can draw it on the back too. So here, okay, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So replicate what I drew on the at the front and the back. Okay. Then on the top, 20, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, dot. And from here, joins there. Join. Yeah, I drew the left side view on the back. But this, if you look from here, it's still the left side view. Nothing has changed. So okay, fill in. So yeah, you from this angle, you realize that it joins at that point. So what you can do now is, okay, let's switch back to black. Okay, you now you don't exactly join, but there is a gap of 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4 can join all the way to the other side. Yeah, this is the surface. Yeah, it may be a bit hard to grasp, but y'all understand this portion? Right, is it clear? Okay, if it's clear, then I'll move on. Because basically the left side view is the same for the front and the back of the left side. So if you look from here, it's still the left side. So this is at the same angle, so we can just draw it in. Okay. So what's the next step? So you know that from here, this part will connect to here from the top view. As you can see, this one will connect to here, but now I moved it down. So yeah. So I connect this portion to this to here. Yeah, okay. So that's the thing. Okay. Now you count 6 boxes. You can't exactly count 6 boxes because this doesn't start as like any box. Yeah, you won't start any box. Yeah, you won't start any box, but you count with your ruler you measure 30. So I don't have I can't use a ruler on my tablet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here, and then I just go up. Okay, so it's a bit off. Still very off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, so this is 30. So you can draw that in. Okay. So that's 30. Now the next part. Oh shit, this is getting okay. It will look a lot clearer after I clear all the parts. Should I draw another one layer? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just fill back the layer. Okay. Okay. So now it'll go down. So where does this end? You don't know. But one thing you know is that it'll follow the same gradient as this line. So the construction line you can just fill it in first. Yeah. Because I also don't know where it ends. We need to draw more to figure out where does the shape end. Okay. So now the next part. Okay. When you look from on top, you realize there is a triangle. There is a triangle shape. Okay. So when you look from on top, you see from the top view, there is a triangle that extends all the way through the shape. So this is a true hole. Okay, so that's a true hole. So realize there is also a triangle at the bottom of the shape. So what can we do with that knowledge? Okay, so with that, okay, with that, I shall mark it down to. Okay, see. Okay, I shall fill in the back of the shape first. Okay, this will be one of the more complicated shapes that you'll be doing. So don't worry if you don't understand. Just follow the video step by step and it will be quite helpful. Okay. Okay. Let's make it less. Yeah, less. Okay.
Mind if I ask, is the triangle is slanted?
Yeah, it's
really?
slanted.
Okay.
Yeah, shit, it's a bit too many lines already. But
it's
for the
very
real
hard.
one, you also have a shit ton of lines.
Oh, okay.
That is something unescapable. Okay. So so from here, the eraser. Yeah, Okay. 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 So okay, you know that there is this point and this point. What do those 2 points represent? Represents how thick the wall for this is. Yeah, this. How thick the wall is. So from that, if I draw a line from this point to this point, right? I can tell. So you get a triangle. Yeah. If I look through it, this is the back side of the triangle. This will be the back of the triangle. Yeah. So, okay, I fill it in. So I switch to black. Okay. Add the line. We need to erase parts that are not relevant. Okay. 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 So for this, I'll still write red. Okay. Can join them with a dotted line. And then from the top, we also dotted line down. And from this corner, dotted line down. And right. And this will be the back of the triangular hole. Like this will be the back of the triangular hole from the bottom. Because all you have are slanted lines. So you can't really guess where it is. But when you mark it from here, right? And you look at it from here, this is where the hole ends. So let me just mark it down. Yeah. So there'll be a hole in the middle of the box. I'll show you the final version, and there's a 3D version of it that I will send also. If y'all have SolidWorks and want to play with it, y'all can also play with it. Okay. So what's the next shape? Okay. The next shape. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What you can do next is, let me hide this again. There'll be a lot of interpolation for this because there's a lot of unknown lengths. So see where they ended here. Okay. So from there, interpolate over, then down. Okay, it might look like it matches, but it's slightly off for the original picture. Yeah, slightly off for the original picture. I'll take a picture of the finished product, then y'all can see it during your own time. So you see there's this line here. This line represents where this line should end. So I overshot a bit. So let me correct it. Okay. Okay. So it should. Okay, line should end here. Okay, so from there, we'll join to here. Okay, and since you know where the line is, you can go down. Now where does it stop? Okay, this line here will be parallel to this line. So you can just use your two set squares and parallel line it. So set square, parallel line, when this vertical line meets the parallel line, that's where this point will be. Shit, too many arrows. Okay, so yeah, this will be the. Okay, let me hide everything. I'm missing anything. Oh, okay, I'm missing the back. So for the back portion, for the back, hide it. So for the back of the shape, you make it go down in here. Okay. Then there's a few more hidden lines. So here, which will match up with this line. Because this view is straight throughout, and it's 30 here as well. 30, yeah. Okay, then this point will carry all the way until the other side of the point. Okay, and let me hide the construction lines. And this triangle goes up. Yeah, and this is aga how it looks. Yeah.
Isn't there a line
Wait. Yeah.
missing?
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. I think I missed. Oh wait, I missed it by a lot. Excuse me. Realize that this is off by quite a bit. So let me redraw it. This portion is quite wrong. Let me redraw it. Okay, here. The bottom triangle should still be correct. Can't get it right on a tablet. Okay. Which bottom line?
No, I mean as in the whole cutout, there should be an inclined line there.
Okay.
I thought there would be.
Let's draw it. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I cockeye for that portion. That's off. Okay. Yeah. Oh, are you saying that there should be a line? Okay. Are you saying that there should be a line here?
No, just adjacent to it, which is from that point to the incline.
That point. What do you mean?
Wait, I don't know how to say. Wait, hold on.
Which view?
On the top view.
Top view, right?
Yeah.
Which line?
The triangle hypotenuse.
Okay, triangle hypotenuse.
Yeah, isn't that a line down to from the point? Or am I just looking at wrong things?
You might how say? Can you describe it better? Can't really help.
Never mind. I think I understand what it means really. Sorry. Okay.
Okay. It's okay to have questions. Okay. So apologies for that part. So I think I made a mistake here. So okay. So what I did just now was from okay. Well, I made a mistake. So what I did just now was here into down, right? But you're not supposed to. That's not how it works. So how you do it, right? Is you down. Then when it hits the same this axis, like this axis, as this corner, right? That's where the intersection happens. So you see here, okay, I go down vertically, then left. Then this is where it meets. So this is the point of intersection between this surface and this surface. Okay, I did so messy. It'll be very messy too on your paper. And okay, let me send the picture so it'll be easier to see. A very clear picture of how the shape looks like. Okay. Y'all can see in the group, right? Do join the group if you're not inside the group yet. Yeah. So y'all inside. No. So y'all understand?
What group?
Oh, the MA 2005 group.
There's a group.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Hold
Never
on.
mind, I'll invite you.
Okay, thank you.
So any questions? If not, that's all I have to teach. I won't go into M5 because that's a bit too ahead already. Then next week I'll do M5 for 2 more weeks. Then I'll start going through the GD and D portion of the past year papers. Because it's not very clear for my personal experience. So I'll go through it quite detailed. And I'll give you like a small cheat sheet that you can follow as well. So just type the description line in the box. Yeah. So this is how the shape will look. Okay? If all's okay, then I will end the session now. Sorry for being so last minute. Because I had something on after this. So okay, everyone's peachy. Thanks for attending. See y'all next week. Good luck for your tests. Bye.
Wait. I think you might want to. I can't see the previous chat. Wait, hold up. Okay. I still can't visualize the shape. That's how bad it is.
Have also can.
Yeah, I can really. Basically, the back part is the hypotenuse lah. The entire piece there. Yeah.
Ling okay? Oh, never mind. Sure. Yeah, you can see the video later. Probably cut out the last part.